Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard to Set Info, and today I'll tell you how to get free stuff on AliExpress. So first of all, let's explore section free gifts that is on your homepage. So this is a special area in application where sellers can offer you products absolutely for free. So here you can see a list of products that marked as free, and the concept is that you have to pick 2 free items, and for the third item you will have to pay. So let me pick 2 items, and for example this one, and the last step will be to pick one more item to get those 2 items for free. So let's select I don't know, for example this one. Okay, so now let's go to checkout page, and you can clearly see that these 2 items will be free, and for this item I will have to pay. And if you scroll down to summary section, I will see that in my case, instead of paying $6.59, I will pay $2.89. So this is really nice way if you want to get some free items from AliExpress and also save some money. Also, another way how you can get free stuff from AliExpress is by checking out section Freebies and Reviews. So it is located also at your homepage, but for example on my device it is named a little bit different, so you have to, if you don't see a section that is called Freebies and Reviews, you just have to go for these sections and see what do you have. So this is also a section in AliExpress where sellers give you products for $0, and in return you have to agree to leave a review for that item. So here you can see a list of items that have been put up for this freebie promotion, and I highly recommend you to stick to those items that have fewer applicants. For example, for this item 20 people already applied, but for example for this item 0 people applied. Yes, so when you decide which exactly item do you want to receive and then leave review on it, you have to press this apply button, orange button apply, then submit some terms and conditions, then wait until you are selected, receive your item, and basically leave your review for them, for it. So yeah, that were the main points on how you can get free stuff from AliExpress. I really hope that this video helps you, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.